Turn on or off stories notifications on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off Imo notifications, stories notifications on your Imo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo. Click on your profile icon, and once you are here, click on settings and you're gonna find notifications. Now you have message, big groups, calls, voice club, and people who added you, and you have stories. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.